Our third and final video of lesson 2 of the French textbook Entre Jeunes, class 10, and we were at page number 16. La forme verbale and la forme nominale. As you can see, we can make a modification in a word to make it function like a verb or to make it function like a noun. So you can see, for example, arriver. We can make a noun out of it. Une arrivée, arrival, that is to say. Entrer means to enter. Une entrée, it means an entrance. So an entrance is noun, while entrer is a verb. Sortir, to get out, to get away. Une sortie, an exit gate, right? Étudier, to study, is a verb, while une étude, a study. For example, a study has shown that the students who study regularly get good marks. So here a study has shown. A study is noun. A study has shown that the students who study regularly. Now, second time we are using study as verb. A study shows that those students who study regularly get good marks. So here a study shows. First study is noun, while the second study is verb. You understand? S'intéresser, to be interesting. Un intérêt, it is a noun, name of a quality. Soulager, to relieve. Un soulagement, relief. Partir, to leave. Un départ, a departure. Consommer, to consume. Une consommation, consumption. Encourager, to encourage. Un encouragement, an encouragement. Acheter, to buy. Un achat, a purchase. So in this way, a word can be modified as a verb and as a noun. So this was page 16 of the book. Let's move on to page number 17. Mets en ordre. Order, put it in order. So you can see Dani and Akanksha. They are talking with each other. And as you know, greeting is the first part of any conversation. So we should look for the words or phrases that begin the conversation. Here we find this first, Salut Akanksha. Dani says, Salut Akanksha, and the reply is also, Salut Dani. So this makes the first sentence and this the other. It can be vice versa also. Now, after Akanksha, Dani's turn to speak. Now, to continue the conversation, naturally, there may be a question. Hence, the third sentence will be, Qu'est-ce qui se passe? What happened? So after bonjour or salut, what happened? And fourth sentence will be, Akanksha says, tu sais, mes parents rentrent en Inde. You know, my parents are returning to India. Fifth sentence, Dani, c'est vrai. Et quand est-ce que tu dois partir? And when it is that you have to leave? Akanksha, après le bac, je crois. After the high school, I think, I believe. Ça te plaît d'aller en Inde? Now, when she tells that she has to go to India, Danny naturally asks, does it please you to go to India? And Akanksha says, oui, certainement, j'aimerais bien rejoindre mes grands-parents, mais vous me manquez tous. I will miss you all. I will like to rejoin my grandparents, but I'm going to miss you all. So these were the sentences. Next part is relis les mots de la colonne A avec ceux de la colonne B. The words, mots, which are in column A need to be joined with the words in column B. Entrez, entrez à la fac. We enter a university, a college. Passer. Now, passer means to participate, to sit. So we participate in competitions, concours. Suivre, to follow. So we follow une formation, a training. We follow a training. Sortir de l'école. We we exit from the school. And réussir, succeed. À un examen. We succeed at an exam. Next. Here we need to make nouns out of verbs. Arriver, une arrivée, l'arrivée, l'arrivée du train est prévue pour 15 heures. The arrival of the train is prévu, expected for 15 heures, 15 hours. Un achat et purchase. Acheter, to purchase, verb. Un achat et purchase. Ces achats ne lui ont rien coûté. His purchases have cost him nothing. Vendre, to sell. Une vente, a sale. Nous venons de signer la vente de notre appartement. We have just signed the sale of our apartment. Décourager, to discourage. Now verb, we make it noun. Un découragement. Le découragement tue la réussite. The discouragement kills the success. If you discourage anybody, he will not succeed. So, le découragement tue la réussite. Souhaiter, to wish. Un souhait, a wish. Quel est ton plus grand souhait? What is or which is your biggest wish? Next question is, réécris le dialogue suivants en corrigeant les fautes s'il y en a. Rewrite the following dialogues by correcting the faults or errors if there are any. Le père, father, says, dis-moi, tell me, quand finiras-tu ton devoir? When will you finish your homework? So verb form should be accorded finira, not finisa. Finira is future, simple future tense. First write the finir verb, F-I-N-I-R, and then add the avoir form and to make it future tense. Finiratiu. Tell me, when will you finish your homework? Le fils, the son. Après mon devoir, que devrais-je faire? After my homework, what do I have to do? Devrais, devoir, must. What must I do? So, when devrais has already been conjugated with je devrais. Second verb, faire, need not be conjugated again. So, it will be in infinitive form, base form. Le père. Nous pourrons regarder la télévision. We can watch the TV. So, nous pourrait. Pouvoir should be conjugated with nous. Nous pourrons. We can. Nous pourrons. ONS ending. Le fils. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a à la télévision? What is it at the television, on the TV? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? What there is? What is there on the TV? So, the place pronoun was not there. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? What is there on the TV? Le père. Quand la nouvelle aura terminé, on aura un bon film. When the news will have finished, we will have a good film. So on first part, future anterior tense, and in second part, on aura un bon film. On takes the verb form similar to il. Although on means we. On can be translated as we, but it should not be conjugated like nous. It should be conjugated with il. So on aura, we will have. Il aura, similar. Okay. Le fils says, après mon devoir, after my homework, je voudrais aller voir mon ami. I would like to go to meet or to see my friend. So, je voudrais. It should not take EZ ending because EZ ending is with vous. While the subject here is je voudrais. So, it will take AIS ending, not EZ ending. That was wrong. Rétablis l'ordre des mots dans les phrases suivantes. In the following sentences, reorder the words. So you can see a sentence has been given and we have to reorder, replace, or change the place of those letters to make it a meaningful sentence. So first of all, the trick is that we should find which word can be used as verb. Understand? I repeat, which word or which words can be used as verbs. So verb is the most important element in a sentence. So we need to find out first which word can be used as the verb of a sentence, and then its doer, that is subject. So as soon as we find these two elements, the sentence starts to come before us. You understand? So in this sentence, this da cannot be used as verb. Fini can be used. Fini, the is not a verb. Minute is noun. Ore can be, yes, ore is a verb. Travail is not a verb, it is a noun. Travail, it means work. Mo is my, again adjective. So ore and fini, these two can be used as verbs, and its subject can be je. So you can see, you can guess how you will place these verb and its subject. J'aurai fini mon travail dans 2 minutes. I will have finished my work in 2 minutes. Second sentence. Verra, après, devoir, il, film, sont, ont, fini, avoir. So there are 2-3 words that can be used as verbs. Avoir is a full form of the verb, so it indicates that it has not been conjugated, so it will precede, or it will have before it another verb which will be conjugated. Fini is the verb, and verra is also the verb. We will see. And what can be used as subject? Il can be used as subject pronoun. The sentence makes il verra un film après avoir fini son devoir. He will watch a film after having finished his homework. Now this half part can be replaced with each other. For example, you can begin après avoir fini son devoir, il verra un film. That is also correct. Third sentence, école, il rentrait quand le jouet Tony, de ira, il au sera. When he will return from the school, when he will have got returned from the school, il ira jouer. He will go playing. He will go to play. Que sera elle partie plus avant. Elle sera partie plus tôt qu'avant. She will leave sooner than before. Aurais le je pas ne devoir fait. Je n'aurais pas fait les devoirs. So I hope this is clear to you, but it makes sense. The more you read, the more you learn. So with this,